Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number 853-630 stainless steel wire pull. Wire pull just means to infer that it's round. Looks like heavy wire is what that would kind of, what they're trying to show you of what that's going to be. And now the 853 is a 4-inch center to center. And the balance of the dimensions are going to be, well, back to the center to center, 4-inch. That means the center of this hole to the center of the other hole is 4-inch, okay? That is like that's the determining dimension really when you're installing pull handles, certainly when you're replacing them. So be aware of that your center to center needs to match. A projection of the item, it's about an inch and inch and a quarter, and therefore should have an inside dimension of 15/16 because the wire diameter is 5/16. Is that true? Yes. Well, according to the factory it is. Let's put the caliper on it and give it the old stress test. 0.314. So yes, 5/16 basically. Okay. So it'll have an outside dimension of 4 5/16 as well. This is the 630 finish, which means solid stainless with a brushed finish. This will be a Type 304 base material. We'll include a couple of typical 832 screws that are 1 inch long. That would be appropriate for 3/4 inch drawer or cabinet fronts. If you're doing something thicker, just get yourself longer 832 screws. We would be able to supply those to you as well. Reach out to us because it's not something that's currently listed in the site as an option, but we can help you with those, no doubt. Being just solid stainless, Rockwood can provide a wire pull in any length that you want. Obviously, something 24-inch may not be a good idea on a heavy door, but they can manufacture any center to center that you want. Therefore, any sort of projection that you want as well. They have a different diameter of wire pull available as well. I think it's 1/2 inch. There's a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure. And indeed, when you pull that up, you'll see the 856. My memory served me, which is 1.5 inch diameter. That is there. Not uncommon. We sell that to universities when they're doing construction or remodeling of dorm rooms. They'll always use a heavier pull, and that 1/2 inch is one that you'll see in that heavy wire pull. Now that product brochure, will allow you to review the 853 and the other centers that are available. 2 3/4, 3-inch, 3.5, 4-inch are all there. Refers to the different finishes as well. So what you're dealing with is 2 different base materials, brass, architectural brass, that you can get polished brass, satin bronze, oil rub bronze, polished chrome, satin chrome, and because it's stainless, well, because this is what it is, they can powder coat this any color that you want as well. Stainless steel, they can give you this and the one with a micro shield where it will have an antimicrobial coating on it that you'd be very typically see in a hospital. Not that you'll be able to look at it and tell, but that material does not foster the growth of microbes on the hardware itself and is absolutely the right choice for, well, for lots of environments, but certainly sterile environments or those environments that need to lean towards that sort of sterile environment. The rest of the document will allow you to review other options when it comes to sister products related to the 853. Now finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. I'm quite partial when it comes to Rockwood, and it's because of their exceptional performance in basically all areas. Customer service, technical support, prompt, reliable, predictable shipping lead times, fit and finish, prompt responses to quote requests. They usually say yes to everything you ask them. If they've got the machinery to do it, they'll quote it. They love it. The name Rockwood itself is universally familiar within the construction industry, and one that I think that you'll enjoy using. Any questions on the 853 or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.